Hi and welcome to the channel. This video is the fourth in a series of 6 videos. This series will give you all the necessary information to install a good and reliable camera system while helping to remove any uncertainty associated with purchasing the proper hardware. Simply put, the goal of this series is to help you determine the appropriate system hardware and components to ensure proper protection of your most valued assets. In this video, I intend to talk about the components that you may want to consider when planning the layout of your surveillance system. I will also give you an idea of the cost that you may expect for a DIY surveillance system. That's up next in this segment of Bud's Odd Jobs, the DIY's best source for home improvement hints, tips, and how-to videos. If you missed the first segments of this series, allow me to encourage you to take the opportunity to review them. Particularly, I suggest that you watch the 2 previous videos. In the second video, I compare and contrast the PoE, or Power over Ethernet cameras, to Wi-Fi cameras, and I make recommendations regarding the best cameras for indoor and outdoor surveillance systems. In the third video, I talk about the many elements that you'll want to consider when you're planning the layout of your surveillance system. That video gives you multiple tips on how to enhance your surveillance coverage. It also addresses the many factors that you must consider for the proper placement of your network video recorder. Be sure to check those 2 videos out. That said, let's talk about equipment and cost. Be aware that I will leave a complete component list in the video description that is included below this video. The heart of any Power over Ethernet surveillance system is a good network video recorder, or sometimes called NVR. The NVR that I selected was Amcrest NV4108E-HS. This unit features 8-channel recording, playback, and live view support. It supports up to 8 Amcrest IP cameras. It provides up to 8 megapixel 4K resolution at real-time 30 frames per second. It also provides limited support for third-party brand ONVIF compliant IP cameras. The NVR software provides intelligent search, playback, and backup functions. These functions provide enhanced ease of use and security. The NVR is plug and play. It's easy to set up and it's easy to configure. You can scan the provided QR code on the NVR for the Amcrest View app to instantly access live viewing and playback. The NVR connects and manages all the PoE IP cameras on your network directly through their Ethernet cables for ultimate ease and convenience in home security systems. The throughput in 80 megabytes per second enables you to watch things happen as they happen in real time, providing highly reliable HD video without loss or delay. The unit also includes a USB backup feature. The NVR comes packaged with a power supply, USB mouse, network cable, and a quick start guide with a user manual and CD, and it is guaranteed for a full year from purchase. There is also US support and a US warranty offered by Amcrest. My cost for the purchase of the NVR was $179.99 via Amazon. It's important to note that the Amcrest NVR is not shipped with a hard drive. The unit supports an internal hard drive up to 6 terabytes. The hard drive needs to be purchased separately and installed. I installed a Western Digital Purple 4 terabyte surveillance hard disk. The drive was simple to install. I followed the clear instructions provided in the quick start guide. I estimate that this size drive provides me with about 30 days of recorded activity, depending on the levels of motion detection, of course. The cost of the drive was $108.99. I also purchased 4 Amcrest Pro HD Outdoor 1080p Power over Internet Bullet IP security cameras. These cameras can be purchased at a cost of about $60 per camera. I recently purchased a 5th camera that I'll soon be installing. I did not include this additional camera in the cost of my initial installation price. As far as network cabling, I purchased 500 feet of Cat 5e Ethernet network LAN cable. The cost of the cable was about $65. Add to that the cost of Cat5e RJ45 connectors. I purchased a pack of 50 connectors and a crimping tool, and also I purchased a connection tester. These additional items cost about $30 extra. Adding all these items together, I arrived at a system total of about $634.38. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I have included product links in the description below for your convenience. Please feel free to use them to investigate product reviews and also check out current product price information. I hope this information presented in this video was helpful to you and it's gotten you a little more comfortable with installing your own surveillance system. If you are currently considering the installation of a security camera system, I am certain that you'll eventually come to the same conclusion that I did. The relatively low cost and manual effort needed to install a good and reliable camera system is not only a good idea, it's a very wise investment. The peace of mind that I have gained after installing my Amcrest system is invaluable to me. Allow me to encourage you to hit that subscription button if you'd like to see the rest of the segments in this video series on surveillance systems. When you subscribe, also remember to hit that notification button. That way you'll be sure to get a notification of additional content that comes up. If you're already a subscriber, let me take the opportunity to thank you for your help in getting me established as a new YouTube creator. Your subscription and continued loyalty are greatly appreciated. It's important to me that I'm targeting my subscribers' needs for video content. If I'm missing the target, please comment below about additional topics that you would like me to cover. I encourage and appreciate your comments and suggestions. Finally, if this content was helpful to you, let me know that by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this segment on home video surveillance. I hope you find this content helpful. We'll see you next time in the next segment. Bye for now.